Good afternoon, students. My name is Mahesh Meda from NCMS Java. In my first class, I took Unit 1, that is Planning in Sports. Again, I am repeating the topic from first unit, Fixtures of Knockout Tournaments. So, how will put the fixtures in knockout tournaments? Okay. Here is one condition. Whenever we make fixtures, we put the teams in two halves, upper half and lower half. Okay. Upper half and lower half. For example, we have 8 teams. Okay, we have to make fixtures of 8 teams. So first we will divide the teams in two halves. Okay, so how we will divide in two halves? Here is one formula for upper half. N plus 1 upon 2. For example, we have 7 teams. Okay, so 7 teams. Here N comes for number of teams. So how many teams are here? 7 teams. Okay, so 7 minus 1 upon 2 is equal plus is equal 8 upon 2 is 4. So how many teams will come in upper half? 4 teams. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is upper half. Okay, and this is lower half. For lower half, team is formula is, how many teams are here? 7 teams. The formula is n minus 1 upon 2. So n for 7, number of team. 7 minus 1 upon 2 is 6 upon 2. So 3. So in lower half, how many team will come? 3 teams. Okay, so this is upper half and this is lower half. So now second thing is by. How will give by? So whenever we make fixtures, we have to see the power of 2, nearest power of 2. For example, how many teams are? 7 teams. So first we will see the nearest power of 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So यहाँ पर 7 बड़ा है तो हम लोग we'll put one more 2. So 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So this is 8. So we will make minus 8 minus 7. So equal is 1. So how many by will come? 1 by. Okay. So here is the procedure of given by. This is our team. Whenever we give by, so we will follow this procedure. Whenever we give by in fixtures, the first by is given to the last team of the lower house. For example, this is upper half, this is lower half. So first by will give to the lower house first team, lower half's last team. Okay, so this is the lower half's last team. So it is 7. So B1. यहाँ पर हम लोग जो बाय देंगे, रूल्स में क्या है, जो फर्स्ट बाय हम जब भी देते हैं लोअर हाफ की जो लास्ट टीम होती है उसको देते हैं. ठीक है, तो हमने ये एक बाय दे दिया लोअर हाफ की लास्ट टीम को. सो यहाँ पर हम लोग फिक्सचर बना सकते हैं. So this is round 1. Okay, so we will see the by team is will get the privilege to play in the direct second round. So this is a fixtures of 7 team. Okay, so one more example I will give to you. That is for 13 teams. Okay, this is the fixtures of 13 teams. यहाँ पर हम लोग जैसे अपर हाफ लोअर हाफ में टीम्स को डिवाइड करेंगे. यहाँ पर आप फॉर्मूला देखेंगे. विल यू सी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अपर हाफ n plus 1 upon 2. So number of teams, how many are? 13 teams. So 13 plus 1 upon 2 is 14. 2. Okay, so how many teams will come in upper half? 7 teams. And lower halves, you can see the formula n minus 1 upon 2. 13 minus 1 upon 2. So this is how many teams will come? 6 teams. Okay, so here you can see upper half and lower half. So this is our upper half and this is our lower half. Here you can see the line. In upper half, how many teams are here? 7. So here you can see in upper half how many teams are? 7 teams. Okay, so now the procedure of given by. So first we will see the nearest power of 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 13 अभी बड़ा है. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8. 13 अभी भी बड़ा है. So we'll put one more 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So here 16. We will make minus 16 minus 13. So how, what is the answer? 3. So how many byes will come? 3 byes. Okay. So here you can see the 3 byes. In my previous slide, I come to know the procedure of given by. The first by is given to the lower half's last team. So this is B1. So here we can give the first by B1. Second by upper half's first team. So this is B2. And third by is lower half's first team. So this is B3. Here you can see 3 byes. First by is given to 13. So here 13. Second by is given to the upper half's first team. This is B2 means by 2. And third by is lower house by 3. So here you can see by 3. Okay. So these are the 3 byes. So now we can make fixtures. This is round 1. Okay, this is by round 1's matches. Now for second rounds we can take number 1 team. And this is the final. So here you can see the fixtures of 13 teams. One more time. This is fixtures of 13 teams. So by 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here we come to know how to make fixtures of 13 teams. Okay. So this is the fixtures of 13 teams. For next topic is fixtures of league tournament. In the same way, there are some rules for league tournaments. What is league tournaments? In league tournaments, each team play with every other team once. ठीक है. For examples, we have 7 teams in a tournament. So every team will play with each other. Okay. So here this is the formula for odd team and even team number. So number of teams is even. What is the even number? Even number 2, 4, 8. So like this, these are the even number. And odd number 1, 3. These are the odd number. Okay. So for even number, we will have the formula of n into n minus 1 upon 2. For example, we have 6 teams. We have to make the fixtures of 6 teams. So this is the formula for even number team, n into n minus 1 upon 2. So n for number of teams. So here we, how many teams are? 6 teams. 6 into 6 minus 1 upon 2. So 6 minus 1, 5. So 6 into 5 is 30 upon 2. So this is the number of matches. How many matches are? 15. Here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many matches are? 15. So one more time, here you can see a number of round is, there is even number. Okay. And you have to see odd number. So first round is, one more thing you have to keep in mind, whenever you are making the fixtures of 6 team or more team, so one number will be fixed. So here you can see the number of 1 is stay in their position. Okay, and others numbers are rotating. How they are rotating in? Clockwise. How clock rotate? Like this. Okay, so round 1 number will be fixed. So 1 is fixed, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is round 1. So now this number will be rotating like clockwise. So round 2, 1 will be fixed in number 1. So 6 will come here. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the matches of round 2. For round 3, 1 will be fixed in place. So 5 will come here. 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. So this clock is rotating, these numbers are rotating like clockwise. Round 3, round 4, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is round 4. Fifth round, 1 will be in his place, 3 will come here, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2. So this is fifth round. How many rounds are here? 5 rounds. So you can see the same fixtures. Okay, these numbers are rotating like clockwise. Okay, one number is fixed in place. Here you can see. So this is the fixtures of league tournament cycling method. So in league tournament, one more method is there, staircase method. This is stair method. Okay, so in league tournament, so here also you can see the fixtures of league tournament of 7 teams. This is the same formula for matches. How many matches are? 21 matches. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. How many matches are? 21. So again I am giving you examples how we can make the fixtures of 7 team in staircase method. So here we will go. You can see the stair method looking like step 1, 2, 3, step by step. So okay, so next is 2. This is round 2. Okay, so next is 3. So here we can see the method of stair. Okay, so this is the fixtures of league tournament in staircase method. So for my next class, I want to give the homework to you. You can make the fixtures of in league tournaments 8 teams. In knockout tournament, you have to make the fixtures of 21 teams. Okay, so you have to exercise it at home. Thank you.